think this diagram makes a good starting point for today's discussion to map out a bit what machine learning is and what artificial intelligence is. And as you said, there's a lot of buzzwords flying around in business context and boardrooms these days. But if you think more simplistic, artificial intelligence is the field that tries to build thinking and smart machines that think alike humans or animals. And it's a very large field, existed for decades, and it's the early days of computer science and computing. But within artificial intelligence, there's this big subfield called machine learning. And machine learning itself is concerned with making decisions based on data and finding patterns in data. So it's always coupled to learning and gaining experience from data and data sets, and then extracting that via algorithms. It's been a very successful field within artificial intelligence, but it's not all that artificial intelligence offers. So the AI field is a lot larger than machine learning. Interestingly, within ML, machine learning, there's a few subfields that have become very popular in the last decade. Predominantly the one called deep learning. As I said, there's approaches called neural networks that mimic loosely how the human brain works.